Hello, awesome viewers! Welcome to AC Studio. This is my first video of 2024 and I'll take the opportunity to wish everyone have a great year, and I'll continue to make more interesting videos for your entertainment. So during the Christmas break, I have 2 weeks off and I managed to make a few models during this time, and one of them is a four-wheel drive. This is actually a second-hand or abandoned toy that I got from thrift and consumer store called Savers in Australia. I think in other countries also got Savers as well. And I got this for $3 and it was pretty cheap. But in fact, it is a very cheap plastic toy that you get, in a set. Comes with dinosaurs or a series called the Soldiers. That has planes, tanks, stuff like that, and the figures are similar size as to the 1:18 scale Joy Toy or Acid Rain figures. So I got this roughly 3 months ago and never got a chance to do it, but now I finally got the time to do it. So I repaint the model and also did a very slight modification to it, but I'm not going to go on a full modification and things like that. What I want to do is to have a vehicle that I can add onto my F109 Acid Rain armies that I got here. And the great thing about this four-wheel drive is it is also a two-seater. That means I can put two Acid Rain figures or Joy Toy figures in there. Obviously you can see I paint this four-wheel drive in the same color as the F109 armies color. So the first part of this video will be showing you how I repaint the toy. And the second part is the diorama gallery, so seeing it together with the rest of the armies. So please enjoy the next part, the construction process, and then I'll come back to you in the gallery. Please enjoy. As you can see, after repainting, the chip toy becomes a very nice, decent looking vehicle that's really able to work together with the Acid Rain F109 armies. And I highly recommend you to have a try at doing this because it doesn't cost you anything and also gives me a chance to learn painting techniques. So this is a really good hobby. It is really fun. And most importantly, it is very quick as well. The repainting of the 4-wheel drive only took me 2 days. And now I have a decent and unique vehicle to add on to my Acid Rain army. I also have another 4-wheel drive and I will modify that later. Anyway, this is the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye for now.